Good morning, students from Standard 8 English Medium. Unit 4. Unit name is An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. I have discussed with you what the story of this unit, Kalpana Chawla in English and in Hindi. Today I am going to tell you the explanation of the numbers. Okay, students, so I'm going to tell you the explanation of the numbers. Let's see. Number 1. Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed. Here, Kalpana Chawla, the story of Kalpana Chawla in this unit. The story of Kalpana Chawla. She was never dreamed before as a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontiers of space. What? Frontiers of space. So, Kalpana Chawla never dreamed before about what? About a dream where she was from Karnal, and Karnal is a place is from Haryana in India. So she was never dreamed before as a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontier of space. Okay, frontier means extremes and space. She would cross the extreme of space. It was enough that her parents allow her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. So she had done her graduation where? From Tagore School, and her parents allow him to go to attend the engineering college. Which college? Engineering college. Not in Karnal, huh? He studied in Karnal and graduated in where? Graduated in Tagore School. So keep in your mind, she had graduated from where? Tagore School, and her parents, mother and father, allow him what? Allow her to attend what? Engineering college after she had completed her graduation. So in the second, after a Bachelor of Science degree in aeronautical engineering, her dream to become aeronautical engineering. So after Bachelor of Science degree, he had completed the science degree, bachelor in aeronautical engineering against great opposition from her father. She went for a master degree to the United States of America. Opposition. See, her father was opposite person, not allowed her to go to America. Okay, so against great opposition from her father. After completing what? Bachelor of Science degree in aeronautical engineering, she had faced the opposition. Who? Her father. But she went for a master degree to the United States of America, and she went to America for her higher studies. She later earned her PhD. Then she had completed her PhD in aerospace engineering. What? Aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the. Okay, so later she earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. Then Kalpana Chawla, who was the first Indian American Why first Indian American? Because she was from India. She was from India and married with an American person. So she was the first Indian American woman astronaut. She was the first Indian American woman astronaut. Okay. And to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida. What? She was Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in a successful mission in space. Okay, so what? She was now in launch pad, where in America, in Cape Canaveral, the place in where in the Florida, and later she was participate in successful mission in space, going into the space. Her family from India cheered along with staff at the Kennedy, the place Kennedy. Her family from India, they were clapped, they were cheered. Why? Because the Kalpana Chawla, the girl Kalpana Chawla from India, the first Indian American woman to go to the space. So they were cheered up, they were clapped and cheered along with not only the parents but also the staff. Where in Kennedy, okay, the staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched. They watched the Kennedy Center. She was at the Kennedy Center where watch the Columbia lift off. And then in the space shuttle name was Columbia. What? Columbia lift off. Then started Columbia. The space was going up. Then what happened? Let's see. Then in the third number, Kalpana was born in Karnal. Now talking about her life. Kalpana Chawla. Where is she was from? She was from Karnal. Now see, Kalpana was born in Karnal. Where is the Karnal place? Haryana. But was a naturalized US citizen, married to flight instructor Jean-Pierre Harrison. Okay, so Kalpana Chawla was basically from India. Okay, which state? Haryana state in Karnal. But naturalized. Luckily, she was citizen of US. Why? Because she was married to flight instructor. The person name was Jean-Pierre Harrison, her husband. Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes. Okay, now she had licensed what? Being an astronaut. Now she was an astronaut. She was licensed to fly what? Fly single and multi-engine airplanes. But where? In land. Now see, single engine seaplanes. In the seaplanes, single engine seaplanes and gliders. Single engine seaplanes and gliders means the motorless aircraft. She was also a certified flight instructor. Then later on, she had got a certificate. What about flight instructor? After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge. Okay, see, after then what? Flight engineering. She was also certified as flight instructor, telling about the flight. After that, after qualifying as a pilot, then what? She was qualified as a pilot. Before that, only instructor, then Now, after that, qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge. Okay, then Kalpana started the another, accepted the challenge. Then next challenge, what? Applying to NASA's space shuttle program, and then she was applying to NASA as a space shuttle program. And what happened then? She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA, and NASA has accepted. Why? Because she was applying as a space shuttle program, and the NASA's she was accepted, and the Kalpana Chawla was first hired as what? As research scientist at NASA. In 1994, in the year 1994, she was selected by NASA. In the year 1994, the NASA was selecting her as what? As for training as an astronaut. For what? As training as an astronaut. The astronaut who? The astronaut means space traveler. So given to her what? Training about what? Space traveler. Then later on she was in Columbia. Okay, so this was the explanation of the chapter Unit 4, an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. I have explained what? From number 1 to 3rd. In the next class, remaining parts will be explained. I hope you understand about the Kalpana Chawla. Thank you.